Welcome back to Programming of Life. In episode 5, we'll add a typewriter text effect to your Java visual novel engine, making your dialogue appear character by character for a professional, immersive experience. We will use java.swing.Timer class to reveal each character at a set speed. We'll maintain 2 strings, one for the full dialogue, and one for what's currently displayed, updating it incrementally to create the effect. Now let's break down the start typewriter effect method that creates our typewriter animation in the visual novel engine. First, we check if there is an existing timer running. If it is, we stop it to prevent overlapping animations when loading new text. We set our delay to 50 milliseconds per character, which controls the speed at which each letter appears on the screen. You can adjust this value for faster or slower typing depending on your preference. Next, we create a new timer and pass in the delay along with an action listener. Inside the listener, we check if the current index is less than the length of the full text. If it is, we append the next character to our displayed text, increment the index, and repaint the panel to update the display. If we have displayed all characters, we stop the timer, completing the typing effect for that line of dialogue. Finally, we start the timer, and the typewriter effect will begin displaying your text character by character, creating a polished, engaging feel for your visual novel. Next, we will prepare a typewriter effect by updating how we handle our text display when loading a new scene. We start by setting full text to the scene's text from our JSON file. This will hold the entire dialogue line that we want to display. Then, we reset displayed text to an empty string and set current index to 0. This ensures that each time we load a new scene, the typewriter effect starts fresh from the beginning of the dialogue. Now, we also need to modify our paint component method so that it draws our displayed text instead of the full text immediately. To ensure your players don't feel stuck, we'll add a mouse listener that lets them skip the animation instantly if they prefer fast reading. By the end of this episode, your visual novel engine will feel like a real game, providing your audience with a polished gameplay experience. In the next episode, we'll explore advanced polish, like dynamic facial expressions or smooth scene transitions to make your visual novel engine even better.